Husson University's Soaring Eagles Healthcare Clinic is expanding its offerings during the spring 2026 semester with a new mobile clinic that will allow physical therapy students to take their work on the road. The clinic is expanding this semester to offer screenings at off-site locations using mobile PT boxes that the program created with the help of a Stephen and Tabitha King Foundation grant. The boxes will allow students to conduct PT screenings at locations such as assisted living facilities and community centers, helping more people in the community.
We can actually take our clinic, throw it in a car, and take it on the road to people who maybe can't get here to try to expand our access a little bit. We provide free service for anybody that doesn't have insurance or can't get access to physical therapy for whatever reason.
Dr. Steinbarger says they're also currently looking for community partners, so if you're interested, she says to reach out to the clinic.